find us on the first hole. I had high hopes for this signal, but I'm not so sure now. I think it's going to be scrap lead. Yeah, just a big lump of lead, I think. Nope. A big ring. Not that kind of ring. Scrap ring. Nice little signal in this hole. There's the imprint. And there's the coin. It's Georgie boy, not sure which one. A halfpenny from the 1930s by the looks of it. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's a halfpenny, I think. I really must remember to bring my glasses out. I might actually be able to see what these coins are. That's a good tip for next time. Something about there. It looks like a coin, but sadly it's had it. Oh, that's a shame. Can't really see anything on that at all. Okay, let's keep going. Nice little signal, and I think I can spot it. It's there, look. Looks like a buckle with a bit of iron on it. Thought I could hear a bit of iron in that signal. I don't know what kind of a buckle it is. Cool find. Oh, it's not a great signal, this. In fact, it's that, look. It's just a lump of iron. I think the machine was trying to tell me, don't dig it, please, don't dig it. I just ignored it. But we'll have a look. A little hunk of lead, I think. I think it's scrap lead. Film it. I think it's the devil's toenail. What do you think that is? On to the next. I'm not holding out much hope for this one. Oh, look at that! That's the second one of those we found today. The other one was a bit smaller. There is a signal in this hole. A number 77. I don't really know what that means, to be honest. I've forgotten. Could be anything. Okay, let's have a look. A big worm. A big worm. Come, move out of the way. It's just a little square thing. Just a second. A little square thing. Don't know, I might have to get that cleaned up. See if there's any markings on it or anything. Mystery object. Whoops. High numbers, 94. Not quite sure what that means. Is that like aluminium or something? It's there, look, I can see it. I don't know why that's giving off a number of 94. Because it looks like a coin. You don't generally give enough numbers like that. Any idea what that is? It's quite a thick coin. Of course, it's not really much left of it. We'll have a good look at that when we get back. Anyone any ideas? Just a bit of junk. It's a lovely moochiobe. Moochiobe. It's a lovely moochiobe. It's a lovely moor. It's a lovely moochiobe. It's a lovely moor. It's a lovely ring pole. It's an old ringer pole. On to next. Classic squeaky noise of a moo tube or a rings to pull. Uh-oh. It's another big lump of iron. Oh dear. We've not had much luck today, have we? Here you go. Another big lump of iron for your big iron collection. Just a quick roundup from today's finds. That was probably the best find, and in quite a nice condition as well. George the 5th 1916 halfpenny, and another coin. I think it's a coin anyway, really thick and heavy. I'm guessing pre-Victorian. Can't really see anything on it, sadly. And another one in the same boat. Nice buckle. Not sure what to make of that. Like a little devil's toenail. Various pieces of lead. A spoon that says stainless steel on it. And the usual huge lumps of lead. And the ring pulls, rings, etc. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.